What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here, and I want to tell you a little story about something that happened to me. I like comfortable clothing. Sometimes athletic wear, just whatever's comfortable. And specifically, especially during the summer here, going into fall, I guess now, but specifically when I'm golfing, I have learned to love golf shorts because they're stretchy, they move with you, and not just on the golf course, but just in life in general. They're just so comfortable. They breathe, they're not super heavy, they don't bunch up. Man, you can get in the car without them biting into you. Anyway, I just like them, and I bet other athletic type of clothing is pretty similar. It probably moves, breathes. It's not a natural fiber, Jerry, but man, they are pretty comfortable. I generally have some of my go-tos, but I wanted to try something new, so I ordered a pair of shorts. A no-name brand. I don't like spending money on clothes. It's one of the things that I hate spending money on because I don't really care how I look. I just want to be covered. I have to say that for the record. Maybe I don't like to be covered. Maybe I just like to go, oh, natural. I give my gift to the world. No, I like to be covered. Anyway. So I got these shorts, just a one-off pair, because I don't like ordering a bunch of some sort of new shirt or new golf shirt or new golf pants or socks until I know that I like them, and you don't get any discount on Amazon. Do a lot of my shopping on Amazon. Amazon.com. It's a great marketplace where you can buy just about everything. So I ordered a pair of these shorts. They came. They're gray. They're pretty nice. I threw them on this morning, and one of the things that I realized about them, which I didn't know, I could have probably seen in the description, is that they don't have a fly, which is fine. They're like a pull-up athletic pants. They have a drawstring, so that's how you tighten them down. And in these shorts, they actually don't have belt loops, so they're truly more athletic tilted than formal tilted. There are some golf shorts that will allow for belts, and they also stretch and all that. Anyway, so I put them on. I go out and run some errands, and one thing I noticed is when I'm leaving the house, I usually put my phone in one pocket, car key, wallet in the other, and roll out. And I was like, you know what? I get it. They don't have pockets. It's this thin material. It kind of reminds me of backpacker pants, the outdoor, zip off leg pants. Anyway, so I was like, no big whoop. I put my phone and my wallet on the seat next to me. I ran my errands and go grab some lunch, just get stuff done. And I'm like, they're pretty comfortable. And one of the things that I realized is that when someone came up to me and they made a comment that the drawstring, I don't know about you, but unless it's like a swim trunk situation, to me, the drawstring always goes in the inside because then you tuck the dangling drawstring strings on the inside. They hang on the inside. Now, if you're wearing board shorts or swim trunks or something like that, yeah, those to me are more on the outside. You kind of tie them in a little bow. You let them hang in front of you. But this nice gal, she said to me, I think you're wearing your shorts inside out. So I look down, and they do look a little funny, but they look athletic. I can see actually where there should be pockets, and there is like a border on them. Gray shorts, but there's like these black outlines. And I realized that the drawstring should be on the outside. But when I was putting them on, I was so focused on that, oh yeah, the little drawstring goes on the inside because they're athletic shorts and you hide that. I just put them on that way. Yeah, so anyway, came home, took them off, realized they were indeed on inside out. You know what? They were pretty comfortable. But the other discovery is that I have pockets, little zippered pockets. In fact, I actually like these shorts. I'm not reviewing them or anything, but they have little pockets on the inside, pockets on the back. They're actually very utilitarian. And it makes a lot more sense now. But I thought for $20 shorts, they were pretty basic. But now I'm actually impressed, especially when you wear them the right way. So that's my story for today. My exploration of trying a new brand of comfortable shorts. They certainly are. They look smart. I tell you, they don't advertise it, but they should say reversible because you can do it. Someone might come up to you and just remind you that you have reversed them. But that's all I wanted to say. I put on my pants just like everyone else, unless it's exactly the opposite of everyone else. Hey, if you want to pick up some awesome stuff, you can check out the channel sponsored by My Money. My Money brings my channel to life. Help support me by checking it out. It's Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.